Welcome to today's Number Corner, Friday, March 27th, 2020.
Boys and girls, let's review from yesterday. Yesterday was Thursday, March 26th. The time was 4:30 and it was a red analog clock. Now I want you to think today what today's date is, what kind of a clock it will be, and what time it will be. Well, if I look back on the red analog clock, I see a yellow analog clock. I see a red analog clock here. Right after the red analog clock is yellow. There's one here. Oh my goodness. I bet today is going to be, after 26 comes 27, and then I bet it's going to be a yellow analog clock. Think in your brain what time is going to come after 4:30. 4 o'clock, 4:30, then what time will it be? Think, think, think. Let's see if you're right. Oh my goodness. Today, let's say it together. Today is Friday, March 27th, 2020. And our time I see is 5 o'clock. Today's date, January, February, March. It's the third month. I look at my calendar, it's the 27th, and it's another analog clock. This time it has a yellow case around it. And now I look and it's 5 o'clock. And that's a half an hour later that has passed. Think in your brains, boys and girls, how many minutes is a half an hour? We'll move our hour hand now right to 5 o'clock. And we write our hour as 5, our minutes as o'clock, 2 zeros. Yesterday was 4:30. Let's count how many minutes it takes to get to 5 o'clock. Count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes. I knew you knew a half an hour was 30 minutes. Our new time is 5 o'clock.
All right, boys and girls. We're going to borrow this stool. So I don't... All right, today, boys and girls, is our final day. It's Friday for doing our clock, our money. So we're going to spend today. And today, we got 2 nickels. So we're going to find our 2 nickels. So look, did Mrs. Schnell grab 2 nickels? And we're going to find dimes, nickels, pennies. So I have to color in 2 nickels. Right. Since today is Friday, we need to take our money from this week out. And we're going to put it on our white tray. And there is all of our money we have collected for the week. Oh, and then we lost some money on the way. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put it into our groups. So we're going to take all of our pennies and we're going to put them there. We're going to take all of our nickels, which are worth 5, and put them over here. And then we're going to take our only dime and put it there. Now, look with your awesome eyes. See how much money we have. And then we are going to count. And we, boys and girls, we count. We start with our highest amount. So a dime is worth 10. So we're going to go 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. We write 43 cents. 43 cents. Now, boys and girls, there is another way to count this. 10, and if we take 2 nickels, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, and we get the same answer. All right.
All right, then let's come over to our days in school. We're going to add another day to our days in school. So look at our chart, figure out our number for today. All right, let's go ahead and count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 131. All right, so looking at our chart, it is the 3rd month, and it is the 27th day of the year 2020. If I write that with an abbreviation, it's MAR period 27, comma 2020. Now I can write my number for today, 131. I can also spell it out in letters. And then I want you to think of an equation for our number for today. So I could do 130 plus 1 equals 131. I could say 131 is the same as 120 plus 11. If I wanted to do a subtraction equation, I could say 135 minus, here would be 135, 1, 2, 3, 4, equals 131. So think of your own equation for the number 131.
Thank you for joining us for today's Number Corner.